Victoria is the fastest moving state, the fastest growing state, and we're at the forefront of it right now. Victoria is Australia's leading manufacturing state, has been for a long time and is destined to be so. We have an extensive pipeline of work. We have certainty for industry. And this ranges from projects such as the Melbourne Metro Tunnel. That tunnel project alone is over 11 billion. The high-capacity trains are over 2 billion. Then there's a massive program undertaken for both safety and social benefit called the Level Crossings Removal Program. In addition, we have a Westgate Tunnel and we have a North East Link project. So all in all, the pace of activity in Victoria is really moving. So if you're a manufacturer, an OEM, or any supply chain member, whether it's technology, you're manufacturing a widget, it's signalling, you can have confidence if you come to Victoria that there is a steady pipeline of work. This is a state that does business. Jobs, training, skills transfer, local content are the heart of all of our contracts and our delivery and our objectives. We are fortunate to have 3 world-class manufacturers. We've got Downer CRRC, we've got Bombardier, and we have Alstom. CRRC are the new partner with Downer in Victoria. They're the world's largest train manufacturer now. And they have a multiplier effect with their supply chains, both local and overseas. Melbourne is the home of the largest tram network in the world. We have the settings, we've got great partners with us, and there's massive opportunity. So why don't you come on the journey and join us?